Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi everyone, welcome to Baby Storytime. My name is Meredith, this is my husband David, and our daughter Jules. We are so excited to have you joining us today. Today's theme is water.
Water.
Water, that's why...
Can.
In a can. Oh, watering cans. That's why Jules is wearing her swimsuit. She's right on theme. Ick. So we're going to start with our hello song.
Hi.
Hello, it's time to play. Let's have some fun today. Let's clap our hands and wiggle our toes. A hug and a kiss. And away we go. Next we have open them, shut them.
Wait.
Oh, I'm sure we'll get to it, sweetheart.
This is a song with great opposites. We do it every week so little ones will start to learn it. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap.
Yeah.
Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. I like that you wouldn't read it to her, so she tried me. I also wouldn't read it to her. We
Very
could read
sad.
some. Sure, let's read some. These are Mother Goose rhymes that have to do with water. And when we're talking about water, we're talking about oceans and rivers and critters that live in the water and pails of water, like Jack and Jill. Ready? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Bunny. And then 20. Here we go. This one's about rain. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me.
Yay.
Yay! Right. Do you want to look at this with Dada while I get the other rhyme ready? You might like this one.
Awesome.
Okay, this is Roll Roll Sugar Babies, another one with great opposites. And our new opposites today are going to be sunny and rainy. Those are our weather opposites. You ready to do Roll Roll Sugar Babies? Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, roll, sugar babies, push, pull, clap, clap, clap. Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, sunny, rainy. Clap, clap, clap.
Wait.
Roll, roll, sugar babies, roll, sugar babies, up,
Wait.
down. Clap, clap. Wow, what a great bike. Oh. 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 4. All right, this is a bounce. So, can I please borrow one of the babies? Thank you. This is about some critters that we might see at the beach. Do you need a baby too? She might want her little baby. Are you going to bounce the baby too?
Down.
Okay. So these are some critters we might see at the beach. We might see a seagull, a crab, a fish, and a sea star. Ooh, these are great vocab words if you might be going to the beach this summer. I'm a little seagull and I wiggle all day. If you get too close to me, I'll fly away. I'm a little crab and I wiggle all day. If you get too close to me, I'll scuttle away. I am a little fish and I wiggle all day. If you get too close to me, I'll swim away. I'm a little sea star and I'm still all day. But if you get too close to me, I'll wiggle away. Oh, so fun. Those are all things that you might see at the beach. We go to the beach in your bathing suit. You're ready. This next, let's do a book next while she's happy in your lap. This is one of our favorite series of books. This is Sparkle Go Seek Ocean. This is by Bethany Carr. These are very fun, and I think you'll see why. Who goes swim, swim, swim? I do. I'm a
Fish.
fish.
Yeah.
Who goes splash, splash, splash? I do. I'm a
Ocean.
dolphin in the ocean. Not so much around here. Who goes chomp, chomp, chomp? I do. I'm a
Shark.
shark.
Bubble.
Who goes dive, dive, dive? I do. I'm a
Big.
a big whale. Who goes swim, splash, chomp, dive? We do. We all live in the
Ocean.
ocean. We all live in the ocean. These I love because it reverses what we usually see in kids' books. Usually we would see the fish goes swim, swim, swim. The dolphin goes dive, dive, dive. So I like that this reverses it, makes it a little more interactive and fun, and I like that the flaps go every which way. That also makes it more interactive and fun. Thank you. Do you want to do another bounce?
Bounce.
Okay. This is Did You Ever See a Little Fish? Ready?
Fish.
And it's to the tune of Do You Know the Muffin Man?
Ready?
Ready. Did you ever see a little fish, a little fish, a little fish? Did you ever see a little fish swim this way and that? Swim this way and that way and that way and this way. Did you ever see a little fish swim this way and that? You could do that song with a little anything. I think we've done it with Puppy Dog in this class, but you could do it with most anything. The next is an action rhyme about rain. This is perfect because it looks like we're about to get a rainstorm. Can you show me some raindrops falling? You wiggle your fingers and make them raindrops? Yeah, whoa, wiggling finger. That's a good fine motor. All right, so splash fall the raindrops. To the ground they go. We need raindrops to help the flowers grow.
I will go.
Flowers grow. All right, the next one, I need some participation. This is our prop song for today. It's on theme. And instead of using scarves or shakers, we are going to use bubbles.
Bubbles.
Which I hid. Okay, we're going to use bubbles. So your job, David, is to blow bubbles. Jules, are you ready for some bubbles?
Bubbles.
In your room, no less. Okay, blow some bubbles, Dada.
Just blow.
Yeah, just blow some bubbles. All right, this song goes to the tune of London Bridges. All the fish are swimming. That's not the right tune. London Bridges falling down. All the fish are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. All the fish are swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Can you pop a bubble? Whoa! All the ducks are quacking in the water, quacking in the water, quacking in the water. All the ducks are quacking in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. And all the frogs are jumping in the water, jumping in the water, jumping in the water. All the frogs are jumping in the water. Bubble, 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 that is so fun. What else is in the water? All the fish. We already did that. All the crabs.
I've just been blowing bubbles.
All the crabs are scuttling in the water, scuttling in the water, scuttling in the water. All the crabs are scuttling in the water. Bubble, 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 pop,
Bubble.
pop.
Pop.
It's fun. You have to have a willing partner to blow bubbles for
Or a
you.
machine.
Or a machine. We do have a bubble machine and that works great.
Pop.
We will do our goodbye rhyme and I'm so sad they can't see her face. All right. This is big, big, big. And this is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. And this is da, da, da. This is fast, fast, fast. And this is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. And this is no, no, no. This is hi, hi, hi.
Hi, hi, hi.
And this is bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thanks so much for joining us for another baby story time all about water. You can sing these songs and say these rhymes when you're at the lake, at the river, at the ocean, or just drinking a nice big glass of water. These will work. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye. Aw. Aw. What's wrong with it?
It's all bubbly, huh? You gotta get